What if everything you've learned about astrology is only part of the story? What if the real depth lies in the stars behind the zodiac? Most astrologers stop at the signs, the planets, the aspects. But in Jyotish astrology, there's an entire hidden system, one that unlocks deeper meaning, precision and insight. The Nakshatras, the 27 lunar mansions, an ancient stellar framework used for thousands of years in India. Each nakshatra reveals a subtle layer of the chart, patterns, timing, psychology and destiny that the zodiac alone cannot show. When you understand the nakshatras, your readings change. They become deeper, more intuitive, more precise. You stop guessing and start seeing. Join us at Astro College for a powerful course on the Nakshatras with internationally respected astrologer Aswin Subramanyan. Rooted in over 350 years of astrological lineage, Aswin brings together Jyotish, Hellenistic and Persian traditions into one unified system of understanding. In this course, you'll learn the history and deeper meaning of the nakshatras, all 27 lunar mansions in a structured, clear framework, how to apply them instantly to your own charts, how to integrate them into any astrological system you use, and how to develop real interpretive sensitivity beyond memorization. This is not theory, this is astrology in practice. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced astrologer, this system will expand the way you see charts forever. Aswin is the author of Fidaria, Periods of Life, co-author of Astrology by Moonlight, and serves on the Council of the Association of Professional Astrologers International. This is traditional knowledge taught at the highest level. If you're ready to go beyond surface astrology and access the deeper layers of the chart, then this is your next step. Reserve your place now. Join the Nakshatras course and transform the way you read astrology. Because the real story is written in the stars behind the stars,